Hello Odooers. Today we will discuss about the how to print multiple taxes report like a sale, purchase, credit notes and debit notes via invoicing module. You can see here our module Dev Taxes Report. First install this module. So click on activate button. Go to invoicing menu. Select invoicing. Go to reporting menu and you can see here sale tax report. Go to this menu, add from date like a 1 and to date 11. Click on print button. Let's save. And you can see here sale taxes report. Again go to reporting menu and second one is the purchase tax report. Click on this menu. Again add from date like a 1 and to date 20. Click on print button. Save. And you can see here purchase taxes report. Again go to reporting menu and third one is a credit notes tax report. Click on this menu. Add from date 1 and to date 25. Click on print button. Save. And you can see here credit notes taxes report. Again go to reporting menu and last one is the debit note tax report. Click on this menu and add from date 1 to date 20. Click on print button. Let's save. And you can see here debit notes taxes report. So you can easily print multiple taxes report based on date. Thanks for watching this video.